Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona Tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. And this is going to be a short and fun tutorial. We already made the basic ring in the first tutorial of the series. And we are going to enhance it with some spinning elements, and for that I am going to use this 1mm silver wire. I have this 2mm wire piece left over from my projects, and I'm going to wrap around the 1mm wire. And because this is so soft, you can do it with your hands. And I'm not pointing my flame directly on the jump ring. I'm keeping it a bit to the side, and that is enough to melt the solder in place. And I hope you can see where my flame is located. And I will stay away from the jump rings. And still looking fancy, if I say so myself. And maybe it's a good thing that we only have 2 days left, because I don't have any more room over here. I really hope you enjoyed this one as well, and I am going to close off for today.